What's up guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video. So I've been seeing a lot of users, complaining about issues on OxygenOS 16. So I thought, why not test it out properly and list out the bugs which are present on OxygenOS 16.1 for OnePlus smartphone. So that it will be easy for guys who haven't updated their device. But before talking about the bugs guys, if you find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. So I noticed a lot of issues on mostly, OnePlus 12 series. Some bugs I have also noticed on OnePlus 13 series because I did a post about reviewing OnePlus 12 series after the latest update of OxygenOS 16.1. And here I have my OnePlus 12. You can see I'm running the latest version of OxygenOS 16 which is based on 16.1. And you guys also let me know if you face any other issues other than which I'm mentioning in this video. So the first issue, and that's not particularly related to OxygenOS 16.1, it was introduced on OxygenOS 16. That's related to dark mode. So here if I pull down the control center and if I tap on the dark mode, you'll see the control center disappears automatically, which wasn't the case on the previous builds, newer builds of OxygenOS 16. Later on this bug was introduced. And it's not only like, it happens only when you enable dark mode. Even if you disable dark mode, the control center automatically disappears. So this is something which OnePlus really needs to fix. And it's quite irritating. Another second thing is related to notification guys. And that's not an actual issue here with 16.1. I've seen a lot of users complaining that, they're not able to open the notification on the lock screen in the expanded form using the slide gesture. Right now, I don't have any kind of notifications on this device. But yes, OnePlus have already released a statement regarding the same, that it's not a bug and it has been removed due to the new design. And we can only give feedback. If OnePlus makes those changes and bring back that older sliding option to open up the notifications, the group notifications, then it could be fixed with the later update. Though it's not a bug, remember that, because I also see a lot of comments regarding the same thing in the comment sections of OxygenOS 16.1 videos. After that, on devices like OnePlus 12 series, after the update of OxygenOS 16.1, I've been seeing a lot of stutters issues. Randomly, UI also lags. Initially when I installed, that time I used to face a lot of issues, but few minor tweaks helped me fix that major stutters. But still, even after enabling those settings, I do face minor stutters here and there. One of them is make sure you set the refresh rate to high instead of auto select. Before I was keeping auto select, and there I noticed issues in the UI. And also make sure you disable RAM expansion feature. This will also help you a lot and your device will run a lot smoother after that. And another issue which I have noticed on my device, like for example, if I have opened any application and I use swipe up gesture to close that application, there I've noticed stutters most of the time on my OnePlus 12. This thing I don't notice on OnePlus 15 series. 13 series is yet to be tested, but particularly on OnePlus 12, this thing I've seen a lot. It doesn't matter if it's a stock application or a third-party application. And also guys, another thing, if you are using work profile on your OnePlus smartphones, then you won't see this option of finding apps using color. So that could be a bug, or I'm not sure, OnePlus haven't properly implemented that. But if you add a work profile where you can locate the applications using the app colors. Also another thing which I've noticed on almost all the OnePlus smartphones, and that's related to the response speed of brightness slider. I'm not adjusting right now because of the camera, but yes, the response speed have been increased here on 16.1, particularly of the brightness slider. I don't see much of changes in the volume slider, but with the brightness slider, it's increased a lot and it feels a bit difficult to manually adjust the brightness. See, I know we can get used to it, but yes, this is the thing which I've noticed on my OnePlus smartphones with OxygenOS 16.1 update. And related to brightness, I've also noticed sensors are inconsistent and sometimes fails to adapt the outdoor lighting. Currently noticed on my OnePlus 12, so I think entire series of OnePlus 12 will be affected. You guys let me know about this thing in the comment section below. Another issue is related to music player. So for example, I'm playing a music over here, so I'll select this music and let me turn off the Bluetooth first. For example, I'm playing any music and if I close that particular application, it takes around 1.5 seconds additional to stop the music. This is a bug noticed after OxygenOS 16.1. After that, I've also noticed my OnePlus 12 heating slightly more even within normal usage. And also the battery backup have been affected. If I show you the screen on time, since I'm testing this device, you can see I've got 3 hours 51 minutes of screen on time. That time 13% battery was remaining. And currently I'm running the second cycle. If I show you with the second cycle and the entire device is being used on Wi-Fi, I'm not using mobile data. So if I slide and show you from here, so almost 30% of battery drain and I've got 1 hour 43 minutes of screen on time. So what I feel here is battery backup seems to be affected, particularly on OnePlus 12 series. So keep this thing in mind. Already summers are going on guys, so you might see slight lower screen on time. And since Airtel have rolled out this Airtel priority thing, many OnePlus users are saying that their devices are not supported. Yes guys, recently OnePlus have started giving the support to OnePlus 12 series. I've got a message from one of our user who mentioned that their OnePlus 12 now supports standalone 5G. So you will get that Airtel priority thing on your OnePlus smartphones very soon. After that, related to OnePlus 12, I got few messages regarding downgrading of pixels in the high resolution mode. After the update of OxygenOS 16.1, if I tap on 0.6x, you can see it says 40 megapixel. And if I tap on 3x, it says 60 megapixel. Wherein users are reporting that it was 64 megapixels in 3x and in 0.5x it was 48 48 megapixels. So let me know in the comment section below if you guys haven't updated. Let me know all the three modes like 0.6x, 1x and 3x too. And another thing related to lock screen, I won't say it's a bug, but it's not a proper implementation done over here. So for example, if you have notifications from the stock applications, you can slide those notifications. But if you have notifications from the third-party applications, they will be grouped in one notification. So to see those notifications, you have to tap on it. But if you are seeing those notifications in the pill shape, you cannot slide right or left. I would say it's not a bug, but yes, OnePlus should fix it with the upcoming updates. And the last issue which I've started facing after the update of 16.1, and that's related to sports from Google. Previously, if you guys have been seeing my videos, you know that I used to see notifications of ongoing sports in the live alert form, but now after updating to 16.1, I don't get to see that thing. So guys, these are some of the issues which you might encounter on 16.1. So I would say before updating your device, make sure you watch our in-depth review videos. Tomorrow I'll be dropping the in-depth review of OnePlus 12 followed by OnePlus 13 series and OnePlus 15 series, so that you don't guys have to struggle with the issues on softwares. Meanwhile, if you guys have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.